Welcome back to Flaherty's. Today we're going to find out if a 110 welder can make shock mounts out of roll cage tubing. Done. Let's go check this sunset out. Whoa, dude. Nice. Yeah, that'll work. All right, well, the question was, can you weld a roll cage with a 110 welder? I think so. I think it can be done. It's a little frustrating. You got to do it one tube at a time because of the duty cycle. It gets, it gets hot, and then it's got to take a break. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Tune in next time on the Flaherty Madness here with the Bronco build. Thanks, guys.